Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Gabe, and today I'm gonna make some very special something for you. Okay? Okay. So here we are, and I'm gonna make some banging pancakes. Are you ready? Okay, here we go, guys. So what you'll need is I'm gonna turn this on. And before I gotta turn on the electric stove, so hold on, okay, guys? Okay, just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on number. Okay, I pressed on the bottom circle, and then I have to press on number 5, okay? Okay. So there it is, guys. Banging pancakes. Okay. So, it's my first time, actually my second food video, but my first cooking video. So I want you to watch this and how I make it, okay, guys? Okay, guys. So I haven't made this in a while, so if I mess up or anything, just let me know. Okay, guys, so what you have to do is first warm it up here, and then what you have to do is you need ingredients. So the ingredients are pancake mix. So you need this, okay, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and make this for you. Okay. So for this, you need about. I like to put a little olive oil in the pan here because it's cooking now. So this gives it a little flavor. Okay. So this is extra virgin olive oil. It's good for your health, and the brand is Berlatoli. Okay, so this is what I use, guys. This is good for your health. Okay, guys. Okay, and then let's see what else. Okay, so while that's cooking on the stove, okay, and then here's my measuring cup. So I need to open up the pancake mix now. So while I open up the pancake mix, just like that, ever so slightly. So the measurement is going to be about one third, okay, 1/3, okay, 1/3. I'm just going to pour that in there. Oh, seems like there's a little packet in here. Okay, hold on a second. Seems to be like little packets in here. Okay, so I got one little pack here. Okay, guys. So let me open this up and get the measurement all right for you. So I haven't made these in a while, but I like making pancakes for breakfast. So and I haven't done this in a while. So hopefully you enjoyed my video. Okay, I'm just gonna crack this open here. Okay. Now I'm putting the pancake mix into the measuring cup. Okay. Okay. All right. So I need about 1/3 cup to make one pancake. So let's see how that goes. 1/3, 1/3, okay. Okay. I think that's about 1/3. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, for one pancake. Now let me get my bowl mixer. Okay, so here's the bowl. So I'm gonna mix the pancake into the bowl, the pancake powder mix into the bowl. Okay, now I need about 1/4 of milk. So I use Meiji lactose-free milk. Okay, so that's the kind of milk that I use. So I need to open this up and get the Meiji. Okay, so I need about 1/4 cup of milk. So I'm pouring it in there. Now let me see here. Okay, that should be about fine. That should do it. All right, so that's 1/4 cup milk. So I'm gonna pour that in there like that. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so that should be enough for one pancake. Now, I like throwing in an egg. You don't have to, but I like throwing in an egg, okay? To give it more flavor and to give it more texture. Okay, guys? I'm cracking an egg open. Okay. So we're finished. Okay. I'm gonna put that. Okay, guys. So now before we mix all this, I like to throw a couple things in there. So let me get my butter. Now I like adding 1 tablespoon of butter, okay, in my mix and in my pan. So here's my butter. I use the Orchid unsalted. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a slice of butter in my pan. And that's going to give it flavor, and that's going to give it taste. So I like putting 1 scoop in there, and also I'm going to put 1 in my mix. So that's like two tablespoons of butter, and that's just going to give it like taste, and that's going to give it, how can I say, taste, and it's going to give it flavor. Okay. Okay, got my butter there. Now before I mix it, hold on, guys. Okay, let me get a little tablespoon here because I got to put some salt in there now. So here's some, this is vanilla. Actually, I would like to use vanilla extract, but, okay, this is not opening for some reason. All right, let's start with the salt first. Hold on. All right, I'd like to put a little salt in there for flavor. Okay, guys, okay. And then now, okay, so the salt I'm using here is like a Thai brand, so it's ionized refined salt. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. Now, as you can see here, I'm trying to get this open, but I can't. Okay, I got it open. All right, this is vanilla. It's just vanilla powder, so any brand will do. And you just stick that in there, and that gives it a little bit more flavor. Okay, guys? All right, now before I mix the mix, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. All right, so I got my pancake here and I'm mixing it. So this is just for 1, so this is just 1 pancake, okay, guys? Now, make sure you have your maple syrup because you're definitely gonna need a maple syrup. So I'm just mixing it, as you can see. Now, if it's a little bit hard, that's fine. You need it lumpy, so that's okay. Okay, this is 1 pancake. Okay. This is my first cooking video, so I'm probably gonna suck at this, but at least you guys are watching, and I haven't made this in a while as well, so yeah. And I got 82 subscribers. Thanks, guys. 82 subscribers on YouTube. So thanks for following me. I appreciate that. Like I said, I'm going to try to do more random videos, so thanks for supporting your boy, and follow your boy on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, guys, so my pancake mix is finished. I got my 1 pancake in here, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan now. But before I do that, okay, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there now. Okay, that's 1 pancake for 1 person. So let that cook in there. Okay, it's going to take a few more minutes, and I'm going to show you what kind of maple syrup I'm using while that's cooking. Boy, that smells good. Okay, so this is called Combs Family Farms Organic Maple Syrup. Okay, and it's grade A dark taste, robust taste, formerly grade B. And I like this because it's from America, but now with the COVID situation, it's very hard to import this and into Thailand. So I had to take some fungus out last night because there was some fungus growing. But you can still eat maple syrup even if there's fungus, okay, guys? So don't worry about that. So just take out the fungus, and then what you do is you have to heat it up, and once you heat it up, you clean the container, and then you can reuse it. Okay, guys? Okay, and I'm also, now that I have another maple syrup here called the Organic Maple Syrup from Canada. So this is the rich taste maple syrup. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. So 100% organic maple syrup, okay guys? So I got this from, you can get it from Gourmet, okay guys? Okay. Okay, so let that sit there while that's cooking, and I need to get my plate out now. And that's about it, guys. That's my breakfast. So I usually have like 1 or 2 pancakes for breakfast. And okay, as you can see, it's bubbling now. So just wait till it bubbles. Just wait till it bubbles a little bit. Okay, guys, and just wait. I could turn on the fan here, but I don't want to turn on the fan now because of the simple fact that if I turn on the fan, you guys can't hear me to speak and talk. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. So while that's cooking, okay, it's almost finished. So it's nice and golden brown now. So once it's golden brown, you gotta flip it over. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, you ready? Okay, guys, here we go. Okay, now it's golden brown. I just flipped it over, so it's almost finished. Okay, guys, it's almost finished for a perfect breakfast. Okay. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to make this video short and sweet, so probably not more than 15 minutes because the pancake is finished already. And that's what I like to have for breakfast. I just made my pancake for you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed my videos. And boy, this smells really good, guys. But I got to take this pancake out before it's going to turn black. So, okay, guys, so what I do is I just let it sit there for a couple minutes. And then after that, I just put it on my plate, and then I just eat it. So, okay, it's finished. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my plate now. Just like that. Okay. And as you can see, it's nice and golden, toasty brown, as you can see. So what I like to do is I like just putting my maple syrup. So don't leave your maple syrup out, guys, because fungus can grow. So when you open it, or when you get your maple syrup, make sure you put it in the refrigerator. Okay, and one thing I want to mention is that I'm going to go ahead and make another pancake, but I'm going to stop this video, okay, guys? So let me put some more olive oil in here. Okay. Yeah, I use olive oil because you can use it for anything, pretty much cooking anything you want. Okay, guys, so what I do is I just get the maple syrup like this, and what you do is you just put it on the pancake. So I'm going to put it on the pancake like this, and I'm going to try it out, and I'll let you know. Alright, that's not enough maple syrup for me. Okay, guys, so there's my pancake. Hope you enjoyed my videos, and thanks for enjoying my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, so I'm going to open up this Canadian maple syrup now and mix it in with the American one. Okay, guys. So there it is. That's my breakfast. It's as easy as that. Oh, I didn't have to twist that off. Actually, I had to twist it off first to get the little plastic cap off, and then I can open it like that, you see? Okay, guys, so that's about it. I'm going to make this video short and sweet, and so you guys have a great weekend, and see you soon from the land of the smiles. Peace out. Bye bye.